There are several ways you could potentially use a chatgpt, generative pre-training transformer, to make money online, depending on your skills and resources. Some possible options might include developing and selling chatbot software that uses a GPT model to generate responses. If you have the technical skills and knowledge to build chatbots, you could create a product that uses a GPT model to generate more natural and human-like responses. Providing GPT-powered chatbot services to businesses, if you have expertise in using GPT models and chatbot development. You could offer your services to businesses that are interested in using chatbots to improve customer service or automate tasks. Creating a chatbot-powered content or information service. You could use a GPT model to power a chatbot that provides users with information or entertainment, such as answering questions, providing news updates, or telling jokes. You could then monetize this service through subscriptions or by selling advertising. Offering GPT-powered language translation services, if you are fluent in multiple languages and have experience with GPT models. You could use a GPT model to provide language translation services through a chatbot. It's important to note that these are just a few examples, and there may be other ways to use GPT models and chatbots to make money online as well. It will depend on your specific skills and interests, as well as the resources and time you have available.